Hello guys, welcome to Trending Tube. My name is Biswa, and in this video I will be showing you this product which is from IKEA. This is a rug and I got it from IKEA Circular Hub. So guys, this is the product from IKEA and the product name is LOHALS, LOHALS. And if you see this quality which you see right now in front, I think the price is 7,000 rupees, the rug. So the dimensions are different, maybe 200 into 300, but I got it very big dimension one. I think this is a very big rug, friends, and the rug even spread across under the sofa, under the cushions sofa as well. So this I got, as I mentioned, this I purchased from IKEA Circular Hub. So in the Circular Hub you will find different types of rugs as well, but this one I preferred because of the quality. This is very durable, and also the longevity. If you see this, right, this is durable, and the weight was very high. I mean very high, but we had to clean it, and then we had to do a machine wash, and also had to clean it properly. So the price is 7,000 rupees, but I think I got it for 2,000 rupees in IKEA Circular Hub. This looks very good, and you need to do a regular, maybe not regular, maybe in a month once at least, a dry clean, or maybe you need to use a vacuum cleaner to clean this rug. And if you put this rug in your living room, this will really look good, and this will add charm to your room as well. This is a very big one, that's the reason we had to put it under the or inside the sofa, and inside the sofa as well. So that's all about this rug. So my suggestion would be to visit Circular Hub first, and to see whether products in the Circular Hub matches your expectation, and then buy it from Circular Hub. If not, then go to IKEA Market Hall and purchase. Thank you guys, thanks for watching, take care, bye bye.